guys.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. What a night we have in store. We are giving away $30,000 or a brand new Tesla right here on this live stream tonight. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Folks, welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. For those who don't know, TTG is the fastest growing, highest rated premium online educational platform that is available to traders today. And at True Trading Group, results matter because they do. We have one simple goal. That is to help you learn, trade, and profit. If you are new to this live stream, okay, make sure that you like and share this video. But more importantly, make sure you are subscribed to the channel because 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here for free where myself, other TTG pro traders, and special guests drop golden nuggets and provide you with free lessons that can help you guys become better traders. All right, but before we get things started, I want to give a big thank you, a big shout out to our partners over at Benzinga. For those that don't know, Benzinga offers their own educational product and tools, yet still fully endorses the TTG platform for the massive added value that it provides for their members and their community. We're grateful to Benzinga for the opportunity to further educate their community and to offer the Benzinga Pro newsfeed and Squawk feature, which is worth over $1,400 a year. We offer that to all of our TTG members free as part of your $1,228 TTG annual membership. I'd like to read you guys a quick message from the Benzinga founder and CEO, good friend of ours, Jason Raznick, up on the screen here. To better serve our Benzinga community, we've partnered up with the education team over at Trade Trader Group. For those looking for great lessons and a fantastic community, we recommend checking them out. Sincerely, Jason Raznick, Benzinga founder and CEO. So there you have it, folks. If you are here from Benzinga's community, you are in the right place. Now, without any further ado, folks, let's get back to what we were talking about before about us having one simple goal, that is to help you guys to learn, trade, and profit. But why should you listen to any of the stuff that we talk about on these live streams? Guys, I did not figure this stuff out on my own. Okay, I didn't figure this out in my mother's basement. All right, I began my trading career working for a fund in New York City, my very first job out of college. Then the Great Recession happened in 2008. The stock market crashed, the housing market crisis. But it was actually during that time of chaos that I went on to receive one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now, aside from that, though, and probably even more importantly, since now 2016, my team and I at True Trading Group have literally helped thousands of retail traders from all walks of life, from all over the world, achieve financial freedom and peace of mind by teaching them how to trade stocks, options, and crypto. At TTG, we help you to stand on your own 2 feet. We teach you how to become self-sufficient traders. We teach you how to fish on your own. Despite what you may have read about online, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's also not gambling. It is a skill. It's a skill that needs to be properly learned like any other skill, especially since this skill can help you achieve financial dreams and goals that you guys never thought were originally possible. Tonight's live stream is going down as follows. All right, we're going to start things off with about a 15-minute Q&A. We're going to give people a chance to log on. We're going to go over some questions that actually were asked from TTG members and from non-TTG members. They all sent us in a bunch of questions earlier today. We're going to grab some of those questions that were sent in to us. We'll pull them up on the screen, and I'll answer some of those questions. Then we're going to spend a quick 10 minutes just to talk about the TTG membership for those that are interested and go over the discounts and incentives that we have on this live stream for those to join. And then it's giveaway time. Yes, call me crazy. I am not. But my partner Adam and I have been on a mission since last year to give away $1 million back to our TTG community and our TTG family members. And we are accomplishing that goal live right in front of your face. Because tonight we're going to be giving away for, I don't even know how many times we've done this now, but we're going to be giving away $30,000 or a brand new Tesla to one lucky TTG member right here on this live stream. Last Sunday, right here, we gave away $50,000 to one lucky TTG member. And we're going to do that again here tonight with $30,000 or the brand new car. The winner gets to choose cash or the car. It is up to you. But one lucky TTG member is going to be $30,000 richer after tonight. All right. After tonight's giveaway, we will have officially given away $1 million back to our TTG family. I cannot believe it that I'm here to say it. It's a special day for us. We set this goal last year, and to be sitting here tonight on November 21st of 2021 on this live stream with all of you, I am humbled and blessed and honored and happy and joyful to say that we've successfully done it. All right. So it's going to be a lot of fun tonight. Tonight's live stream, tonight's giveaway has a lot of meaning behind the 30,000 and the card giveaway. So I'm super excited. I can't wait. I'm super excited. I'm sorry. I'm like a little kid. I have like butterflies in my stomach. But anyway, after that giveaway and everybody things settle down a little bit, we're going to go over some really important educational information. We're going to talk about the stock market outlook this week. What do I think the market's going to do this week? COVID going crazy in Europe. These European countries are wild. They're going back into lockdown. Things are getting nuts over there. What does that mean for the U.S. market? So the U.S. markets care. Do they care? Is this a foreshadowing of what's to come for us here as we get into the winter months? We're going to talk all about that here today in this live stream. And I'll tell you guys how I plan on making money this week. We have been on an absolute tear in True Trading Group. So I'm going to tell you guys how I plan on making money coming up this week. And then last but certainly not least, for those that are interested in the TC platform, I will show you the platform itself. I'll show you the tools, the resources, everything that's included on the platform. And yes, I keep saying platform because True Trading Group is not just it's not just a chat room with some trade alerts and courses. At True Trading Group, it is our goal to level the playing field for the retail trader and investor. And in doing so, we provide you with a professional education, the same education I received when I worked at a hedge fund in New York. And we combine that with professional tools and resources that traders use on a daily basis. We include all of that on our platform to give you, the retail trader, the greatest chance of becoming a consistently profitable trader. Okay, that is what the TC platform is all about. I'll show you guys all that later. Okay, now first we got to get things started with that Q&A though. Listen up, listen good. Type your questions in chat right now. Don't be shy. Don't be embarrassed. There's no such thing as a stupid question. The only thing that is stupid is not asking a question that you have. I guarantee you, if you have a question, somebody else on this live stream has the same one. So don't be shy. Don't be embarrassed. You got a trader with about 17 years of experience telling you, hey, ask me anything. I'm here to help. All right. So guys, go ahead right now. Start typing questions in chat, and then we're going to pull some questions that we also had submitted to us from earlier on today. Some members and some non-members sent us in some questions, and we're going to kind of grab a couple of those questions. All right, so let's go ahead right now, guys, and let's begin that Q&A. All right, here we go. Here's our first question. With the holiday this week and Christmas approaching, would it not make more sense to sign up in the new year? Oh, no. My goodness, no. My goodness, no. Okay, so listen. There is no better time for you to get an education than literally this moment right now. Because every single day that passes is opportunity missed. Consider every single day that passes that you choose not to get educated is an opportunity cost, is missed opportunity. That whole new year, new me, it's crap. It's garbage. I hate that saying. New year, new me. Why? What makes January 1st different than November 21st, than June 17th, than March 2nd? What makes it different? If you want to make a real change in your life, start right now. I think next year is going to be nuts. I also think that the last month of this year is going to be pretty nuts. All right, I think we have a Santa Claus rally that is kind of priming its gears going into the December, the last month that we finish off Q4 as we go into the end of the year. But we have these looming COVID headlines coming out of Europe that are threatening that rally. You also have the Fed chair nomination from, President Biden. Is he going to keep Jerome Powell, or is there going to be a changing of the guard at the Federal Reserve? All right. All of these things are looming in the background that could potentially threaten the Santa Claus rally. Okay. What is the Santa Claus rally? Santa Claus rally is historically, it doesn't mean it's a sure thing. Okay. It doesn't happen every year, but historically, the holiday season is usually a good time for the markets. Usually September, October, and this is historically speaking, September and October are the worst months in stock market history, where the markets have performed the worst during September and October. And then November and December, the markets recover. And you usually have, it's the holidays, people are in good moods. People, sell out of their losing positions for tax loss. They take that cash, they put it into their winning positions. And you typically get like this Santa Claus rally is what they call it, because right around the end of the year, going into the holidays, between Thanksgiving and Christmas and the New Year's, the markets have historically performed very well, and we've moved higher historically. And again, I keep saying historically because it is never a surefire thing. It's never 100% guarantee, as there is nothing that's ever 100% guarantee in the markets. The markets are all about probability. Okay, you want to identify high probability patterns and setups with a complete full understanding of headline risk surrounding news headlines, economic data, and economic news headlines that will change and fluctuate the probabilities of the setups and opportunities that you identify. That you identify in the markets. Okay, that's what trading really is all about. So that's what the Santa Claus rally is. We're geared up beautifully for a melt up Santa Claus rally that could take you right into next year, where then things can get pretty rocky, because if the supply chain issues and inflation do not settle down in Q1 of next year, you are going to have a rocky Q2, Q3. I believe that. And I believe that volatility is going to create tremendous opportunity for us as retail traders to be able to capitalize on exaggerated moves in the markets, both up and down. And the uneducated trader, and this goes back to the original question, like, well, why not wait till next year? The uneducated trader is going to get spun around by exaggerated moves to the upside, exaggerated moves to the downside. Becoming educated right now will prepare you for that action next year. When that volatility increases, you'll be prepared, you'll be educated and ready to take advantage of it instead of sitting there like a deer in headlights. That's why you should not wait until next year. What's your favorite indicator and why? All right. Let me preface this by saying to you that there is not one indicator that is better than all of the rest. There is not one special magical indicator that is going to give you all of the answers. Stop looking for it. Traders sometimes spend their entire career searching for that one special secret indicator that nobody else knows about, that works all the time. It doesn't exist. Believe me, if it did, when I worked at the hedge fund, they would have just taught me, hey, Mike, use this special secret indicator that nobody else knows about, and you're going to become a multi-quadrillionaire. Yes, a multi-quadrillionaire. Elon Musk, I'm coming for you. Okay, but that's not the case. That's not true. There is no such thing as a special secret indicator. So let me preface that by saying that professional technical analysis, which is what I'll teach you guys in True Trading Group, is understanding how multiple indicators work in conjunction with one another. I will never buy a stock or sell a stock because what one indicator is telling me. Like, technical analysis, for the most part, is a self-fulfilling prophecy. Let's be real. Okay. So understanding how like 3, 4, 5 different indicators work in conjunction with one another is going to allow you to identify the high probability setups. Okay. So that's one thing that you'll learn as a member of True Trading Group, not just one special secret indicator. With that being said, what is my favorite indicator? It's volume. Hands down, volume. For me, volume for me gives me the greatest insight into a stock's momentum. Increasing volume on the way up, decreasing volume on the way back. High volume breaks the resistance versus low volume breaks the resistance. High volume rejections at resistance versus low volume pullbacks off of resistance. It really gives you an indication of what price areas you have aggressive buying versus aggressive selling. And that is something that you can use to your advantage as a trader when you're trying to identify momentum. And momentum is important when you're an active trader, because in order to catch directional trend, that momentum needs to be there. You want to put yourself on the right side of that momentum over and over and over again. Next question. You guys are doing great. You guys are firing away with these questions. Like, what is your trading style and what happens if I sign up and it does not match my own? Great question. These are really great questions, actually. My trading style specifically, me as an individual, okay? I am a traditional day trader that also swing trades. That's my style. What do I mean by traditional day trader? My trades last anywhere from several minutes to several hours long for my day trades. My swing trades could be anywhere from a couple days, spanning usually no longer than a month. Right. Most of my swing trades are within that 1 to 2 week time period. I do sometimes make some swing trades that are a little bit longer out, not that often. That is me specifically. I also trade everything. I'm a very diversified trader. I trade small caps, mid caps, large caps. I trade options. I literally trade them all. High volatility, low volatility. But at True Trading Group, and you said, what happens if I sign up and my trading style does not match yours? This is the whole point of True Trading Group. I don't want every single person that joins True Trading Group to just be a shadow image of me. I don't want you to trade exactly the way that I do because my trading style may not fit for everyone. Everyone has their own trading styles. Everyone has their own personality traits. Everyone has their own feel, what they like, what they don't like. Some people like to go to the amusement park and go on the roller coaster that goes upside down 3 times. Other people like to go on the merry-go-round. And a lot of those personality traits are also going to affect the trading style that you implement, as well as your lifestyle. When I say your lifestyle, I'm not talking about fancy dinners and lavish vacations. I'm talking about, are you able to sit in front of a computer screen all day long? Are you on the go when you're trying to trade from your cell phone? You're working from a construction site. These are all things that will impact your trading style. That is why, specifically when we formed True Trading Group, that it is not just me. There are 8 other professional traders that are moderators inside of True Trading Group that all have different trading styles and strategies. This is so that when you first get started trading, it is important, I think, that you have exposure to a variety of styles and strategies so you can see which one fits best for you. One of the biggest mistakes, or one of the biggest reasons I see a lot of traders fail when they first get started, they go on YouTube, they're like, oh my God, this person made 50 grand today. I'm going to follow them, thinking that's the only way for you to make money in the markets. It's not. There are so many different styles and strategies out there. And just because one person's style does not work for you does not mean you are a bad trader, does not mean that the trading is a scam. It just means that that may be a strategy and style that does not fit you. And that's why with True Trading Group, if my style doesn't work for you, doesn't matter. There are 8 other professional traders that have a different style and strategy than me, where you guys can see, whose style matches up best for you. I have been trading on my own for many years and I do okay. I make money. Why should I entertain joining True Trading Group? Listen, we have traders from all walks of life in True Trading Group. True Trading Group is something that, whether you've never traded a stock a day in your life, True Trading Group has something for you, because our education, our curriculum starts you off at day one, starts you off at beginner and foundation courses. You guys have to understand something. When I first got hired at the fund out of college, I didn't know, and listen, I had been trading for like 2 or 3 years, but just messing around. I didn't know what I was doing. So when I got hired and I had to go through a 3-month training program, they started me off at square one. They started me off at day one. So yeah, I'm going on 17 years right now, but I also had a day one. All right. So, everything that you're going through as a beginner, trust me, I've been there, I've gone through it. Okay. But we also have traders in True Trading Group that span all the way to a stockbroker at Morgan Stanley for almost 25 years, a portfolio wealth manager that manages money for 50 high net worth individuals, licensed financial professionals, as well as we actually have a former market maker who used to work at Deutsche Bank, who is also a member of True Trading Group, and everything in between. So if you're an experienced trader that already is consistently profitable, when you guys join True Trading Group, I tell those people, you can skip the beginner and the foundation courses, go right to the advanced, right? Go right to the advanced. But if you are, I don't care if you've been trading for 3 years, if you're still not consistently profitable, you're still a novice trader, you're still a beginner, and you should start at the beginner and foundation courses. So at True Trading Group, there's something for everybody, not to mention we are also a platform. And if you're an experienced trader, you probably use a lot of professional tools from companies like Benzinga, TradingView, Trade Ideas, Quote Media. You probably use a lot of those different tools like news feeds, scanners, level 2s, charting softwares, etc. And you probably pay a pretty penny for those services. We have negotiated agreements with those companies to offer those tools and resources on the TTG platform included with your membership. That's what I mean by TTG is a platform. It's not just, alerts and a chat room. You're getting access to dark pool data, options flow, social sentiment scanners, high a day, low a day, volume scanners, analyst ratings, charting softwares, news feeds. Like, you are getting simulators. You're getting access to all of these tools on one platform. And it's all for just $1,228 for the year. All those other tools and resources, if you pay for them on your own, you're paying $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 a year if you add up all of those different tools and resources. So if you're an experienced trader, that's the reason why you guys should join True Trading Group. Ken, my boy Ken, what's up, man? I'm making profit and still considering signing up. I'm good, but TG can make me great. Amen to that, Ken. Listen, the other thing you guys have to realize, no matter how good you are, no matter how much money you make, understand this goes for me, this goes for all of you, this goes for the trader at Goldman Sachs. We will forever be students of the market. Do not ever get to a point in your career. There's a very fine line in trading between confidence and arrogance. It is crucial to be a confident trader in order to be successful. The moment you cross that line into arrogance is the moment the stock market humbles you, and that humbling experience is usually a painful one. Always remember, you will forever be a student of the markets. And trading is a lonely profession. I only have 2 eyeballs, right? True Trading Group, it's not just about me and the moderators and I should say, helping to make our members better. Our members also make the moderators and I better. I can't tell you how many times that we've had members bring trade ideas and setups to my attention that I otherwise was not paying attention to. I never would have seen these setups, right? I never would have seen these setups. But a member brings it to my attention. I say, wow, that's actually a really good setup. And I take a trade on it and we make some money. And I say, wow, okay, hey, to that member, I owe you a steak dinner. You made me money today. That's what being in a group is all about. Being in a trading group is not about stroking the ego of a moderator or a head trader. It's about collectively making each other better. Otherwise, what's the point of being in a group, right? If it's not going to benefit all parties involved, then what's the point? So it's important, you guys, when there's thousands of traders that all have the same education that I received when I worked at the fund, they know what to look for. So when those opportunities present themselves, it is very, very rare that between the moderators and I and our members, it's extremely rare that we ever miss a big move in the markets, because whether it's either myself, the moderators, or our members are finding it, bringing it to our attention, and we analyze it together. Tonight's the night, Ken. I feel it. Tonight's the night for you, Ken. Tonight is the night. I heard you also trade crypto. Heard there is a great alert on CRO. Yes. So Adam, who is my business partner, co-founder of True Trading Group, he's actually pretty involved in crypto. We trade crypto in True Trading Group as well. And Adam was on the live stream with me, I don't know, a few weeks ago or a month ago. I forgot the exact time. I forgot when Adam was on with me, but Adam actually called out a buying entry on crypto, crypto.com at 38 cents. It's now, I believe, in the low 70s. Last I checked, I believe it hit 75 cents today. Last I checked, it was like 72. So almost a 100% gain on that call out. So yeah, we trade crypto as well. We have crypto scanners, we have crypto charts, we have crypto tools as well in the TTG platform. You get access to all this stuff as a member of True Trading Group. There's no additional, yes, King, he did. Adam definitely did write that one, King. 100%. Adam wanted that one. Adam wanted that one. But yes, guys, all of this is included with your platform when you guys join True Trading Group. Like I said, that's our goal. We want to create a platform that gives you the tools and the resources all available on one place. Is it possible to be a successful trader with a full-time job, and how? My goodness, yes. The overwhelming majority of our members in True Trading Group have full-time jobs. You guys have to understand that. How is it possible? A, implementing a trading style and strategy that works for you. Like maybe you should be implementing a swing trading strategy instead of a day trading strategy. Just as an example, maybe low volatility will be better for you than high volatility. Okay. These are just some basics. But also we have a mobile app with our membership that you can download on iPhone or Android. Okay. So even if you're not in front of a computer, you can still be logged into chat. You'll still see the screen share because the moderators and I share our screen with you during the day. We're also live on the microphone talking to you like I'm talking to you now, giving, real-time analysis, calling out trades, telling you guys where we see opportunities, answering questions. And you'll be able to listen to that audio analysis as well through your mobile device on the app. And then most importantly, You also will receive real-time push notifications whenever one of our moderators enters or exits a trade. This way you can easily follow along. And see what the moderators are doing, what we're buying, what we're selling. Really stay focused on what's going on during the day, so you guys don't miss out on any of those opportunities. So like I said, the majority of our members do work full-time jobs. Let's do this. Let me actually ask our members real quick. Guys, do me a favor. If you are a member of True Trading Group and you're making money right now while you work a full-time job, do me a favor, type the letter I and then tell me what you do for a living. All right. So if you guys are members and you're making money while working a full-time job, type the letter I and then tell me what you do for a living. Now pay attention. And whoever just asked that question, pay attention. Pay attention. Here we go. All right. Real estate, plumber, engineer, a teacher, IT consultant, a diamond setter, a truck driver, another realtor, nurse practitioner, and clinical instructor, military. Jimmy, yo, thank you for your service, brother. I appreciate you and the sacrifice you and your family have made for us. A CPA firm, full-time, chemical sales, upper management, contractor. Nope, this person doesn't have a full-time job. Trades, full-time, yes. Paralegal, legal, school janitor, IT, nurse, detective sergeant. Nice. Nick. Oh, that's right. Nick Lowry, my man. Of course, he would be in law enforcement with the last name of Lowry. A shop foreman, car salesman, a loan officer, software engineer, film business, photographer, retail, cabinet prints, another sales manager. I work from home, auto parts sales. There you guys go. You guys can see. Wow, look at all this. General contractor, programming robots. This is great. Look at all these comments coming through chat. But I don't need to continue reading all these. You guys get the point. You can read some of these comments. These are TTG members that are working full-time jobs. Here, bartender, healthcare, all right, textile business, all right, and they're making money while working a full-time job because of all the things that I had just said to you. So if you guys work full-time jobs and you don't think you're going to be able to do this, think again. You do not need to be glued in front of your computer all day long in order for you guys to make money consistently. It's just not true. How can I be successful trading? I know very little and don't have 25K in an account. Okay. You do not need 25K in your account. This is another very common misconception that a lot of traders have. All right. Just like a lot of traders think if you work a full-time job, you can't do this. The second common most misconception is that, I don't have 25K. You don't need 25K to trade. Okay. You need 25K to have a margin account and not be bound under PDT rule, pattern day trading rule. What does that mean for those of you that are new? If you have less than 25K in your account and you're using a margin account means that your broker is going to lend you money that you can trade with. Okay. So if you're going to use a margin account, you have less than 25K, you're only going to be able to make 3 day trades in a rolling 5-day period, which means a day trade is you buy today, you sell today. You can only do that 3 times in a 5-day period. Okay. But you don't need to have a margin account if you have less than 25K. You can have a cash account. A cash account means you're not going to have margin. You can only trade with the money that is in your account. Now, it'll take a couple of days from the time you use that cash in a trade. It'll take a couple of days for that cash to clear. All right? It'll take time for that cash to clear. And you will not be bound to the pattern day trading rule. You can make many day trades as you want. All right? You do not need a lot of money to get started or to make money. And again, I'll prove this to you by asking members themselves. Guys, do me a favor. If you're a member of True Trading Group and you have less than $1,000 or you started with less than $1,000 in your account, type in chat right now, what did you start with? When you joined True Trading Group, if you started with less than $1,000, type in chat right now what you guys started with. So whoever asked that question, pay attention to the numbers that come through on the screen right now. Here we go. Franny started with $500. Chris started with $500, brought it up to $3,000. Alan, $300, $750, started with $400 account, up to $14K in just under 2 months. Yes. I'm up $22K this month. Yes. $500 I started with. Frank started with 1,000. Richard, 800. Meat Bull, 250. Nick, 500. 500. Diane, 100. Don, 250. Julie, 200. Whipsaw, 450. Peter, $50. Patience, 500. 3,000, 700, 400, 250, 1,000, 500, 1,000, 200. You guys get it. Ty D, $225 up to $6,000 now. All right, you guys can see some of the comments coming through. I don't need to read all these comments. Too many of them that are coming through, but you guys get the point. All right, so again, another common misconception: you do not need tons and tons and tons of cash to get started. What is your best advice for someone just starting out with trading? Honestly, my best advice for someone that is just starting out, and I really mean this sincerely, and this is whether you join True Trading Group or not, get an education, please. And again, whether it's True Trading Group or not, make sure you understand the background of the people that you're getting your education from. Make sure that they are professionals. Make sure that they have a real background. This is not like a little gimmick or something that they, figured out in their mom's basement or something like that. Make sure you understand the background of the people you're getting your education from. That's first and foremost. But get education, because there is no other profession in the world that you would succeed at without any training or education whatsoever. If you were to start a new job tomorrow, you would go through probably a 1 or 2 week training period before you're left to go and do your own thing. There's a training period whenever you start a new job. Never mind when you enter a completely new profession. There is not, like, you hear the term 90% of traders fail. So you're like, oh, why would I do this? 90% of traders fail because 90% of traders don't get themselves an actual education or any type of training. They just open up a Robinhood account and they think they're going to make money with professionals. You're foolish. You're foolish. You're naive. You're arrogant to think that. You're going up against people. You understand something? When you buy or sell stock or options, you're buying them or selling them to or from somebody else. Do you trust yourself and your skill set and your ability to beat whoever's on the other side of that trade? Do you trust yourself to beat me? What about the trader at Goldman Sachs? What about the multi-billion-dollar hedge fund manager? What about Kathy Wood? What about my teaching members? Do you trust yourself to beat them? Because that's what you're doing. You're going to battle. That's what the stock market is. Not a single one of you would ever think that you're going to step into a boxing ring and have even a 1% chance of beating a professional boxer. Why? Because you've never been trained how to box. Of course you're going to get your ass kicked. But maybe if you trained for a year with one of the top boxing trainers in your area, maybe you now have a chance to beat the person that's in that ring. Because now you know what you're doing. You know how to throw a jab, a hook. You know how to defend. Your stamina is up. Trading is no different than that. To think you're just going to put $2,000 into a Robinhood account and turn it into 200,000, going up against seasoned professional traders that do this for a living, is foolish. So my number one piece of advice to you that are just starting out: do not go and just throw money against the wall hoping that it sticks. Get educated. Arm yourself with the ammunition, tools, resources, and education that you need to give yourself a fighting chance to step into the market with professionals and make money. That's my number one piece of advice to you. Okay? There we have it. Guys, I actually would love to know right now, we've got 2,300 people watching this live on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. Welcome, everyone that is joining us. It is Tesla $30,000 giveaway. These are my favorite nights, but I would love to see who's with us tonight that's not a member. Guys, if you're not a member of True Trading Group, or maybe this is your first time on the live stream, do me a favor, type the number 1 in chat right now. Type the number 1 in chat right now if you guys are not a member and you're new. All right. Bogey, Primo, Griffin DePaul, Neil Go, Charles Wilkinson, you're killing me. Winked by Mona Lay, Jack Knight, Andy Mayer, Patrine Barnes, Gil, DZ, Most, Bob, Good Day Sir, Dustin, Karen Pert, Ethan Allgreen, Prince Selassie, Bizusa Customer Service, Xavier Lofton, Sunita, Chris Sampson, Yo Andes, AC Royal Automotive, Emil St. Louis, Imran Omar, Daniel Crooks, Abby Angel, Josephine Bergman, Gigi, Arvon Tony, Faraday, Cow, Ken Horn, Josh, Linda, I love it. So many number ones coming through screen. I can't even keep up. I can't even read them all, guys. Welcome all of you that are typing the number one. You guys have no idea how fortunate you are to be here right now, but soon you will understand. Remember, True Trading Group is about results. Results matter. We're not just about empty words and broken promises. A result can be defined as an effect, a consequence, or an outcome of something. Let me give you an example of that. These are real statistics that we have surveyed from our TTG family. As an effect of you joining True Trading Group, putting in the effort, taking the courses, passing the quizzes, using the tools, attending the free study groups and workshops, you statistically have a very good chance of making money and, more importantly, becoming a better trader. And if you guys don't believe me, I understand when I say stuff like that, it doesn't mean much to you. But let's ask members themselves. Guys, if you are a member of True Trading Group and simply you're making money or you're becoming a better trader, I want you to type the number one in chat right now. Anyone that is not a member, just pay attention to the amount of number ones that come through the side of the screen right here, because these number ones that you're about to see come flying through the screen are what results look like. This is what I mean by results. These are TTG members that went through the courses, took the quizzes, used the tools, used the resources, attend our private study groups, attend our workshops, and they are now making money and becoming better traders. This is what I mean by results. Results matter. Another example of a result, and these are, guys, these are statistics. These are the numbers. I don't make this stuff up. This is what's out there. As a result of you trying to figure this out on your own, maybe not joining True Trading Group, you guys have actually over a 90% chance of failing miserably at this. And I'm not saying that because True Trading Group is the only way. It's not. True Trading is not the only way. What I am saying is that it's one of, if not the best option for everyone of all skill levels from all walks of life to give themselves the best chance to learn, trade, and profit consistently. We help people reach their goals of consistent profitability by combining top-notch education with premium tools from companies like TradingView, Benzinga, Quote Media, Trade Ideas, and more. We are a community that all shares the same goal. The amount of number ones coming through chat right now is actually insane. My goodness, the amount of number ones that are coming through chat right now. Wow. Unbelievable. Whew. Okay. Guys, listen, stay right where you are, because in less than 7 minutes, we are going to give away $30,000 or a brand new Tesla live right here. I'm going to be showing you guys how I intend on making money this week. I'll tell you what I think the market's going to do. And we're going to be, for those that stick around, we've been on an absolute tear in True Trading Group right now. Just ask our members. Our members can sound off in comments chat. We've been on an absolute tear these last couple of months. So we're going to keep riding this momentum right into the end of the year. And I'm going to tell you guys how I plan on making money this week. And like I said, I'm giving away a Tesla or $30,000 to one lucky member in literally less than 7 minutes. But first, let me give you some brief, quick information on the membership. I see there's a couple of people asking about the membership, and then we're going to give away the 30 grand. Okay. Remember, listen up carefully. Pay attention, please, because if you've been following our live streams, you'll know that the price of the teaching membership has slowly been walking itself up. Okay. You could have joined 3 weeks ago for $1,106, but we're walking that price up on February 1st. Our membership will be $2,500. Don't freak out. We're not there yet. At TTG, it's our goal to level the playing field for the retail trader and investor. That's why we have all those tools and resources on the platform for you to use at no additional cost whatsoever. There's no upsells to use these tools and resources. They're all included. Okay, but this also means that there's a continued effort from us to make sure that the TTG platform remains within reach financially. It should not cost you $3,000, $5,000, $7,000, $10,000 to have access to this stuff. Okay, so we want to make sure it is within reach for most retail investors and traders from all walks of life. And because of that, we are slowly walking the price of our membership up to $2,500 to give plenty of time for anyone that wants in a chance to get in. But please understand, there's not going to be a Thanksgiving Black Friday sale. There will be no Christmas holiday sale, no New Year sale. Your cheapest price to get access to a TC membership is right now, $1,228. That is a 44% discount. You guys just have to use the coupon code TTG121. Type that in, click apply code, you'll get the 44% discount. And tonight, the next 30 people that use TTG121 will get themselves 2 small private study group sessions with a professional trader from TTG to go over questions and lessons that you're struggling with so we can help speed up that learning curve. And you will also have a chance to earn a brand new free laptop. Yes, I said earn, because at TTG, we get laptops from wholesalers Adam's done a phenomenal job working with Joe and Luciano and our back end to build relationships with these wholesalers. We get great pricing on bulk orders. We get a certain amount of allocation and we ship those off to our members all over the globe. We even cover the shipping costs. It literally does not cost you a penny. So the next 30 people that use TTG121's coupon code tonight will get the 44% discount, the 2 small private study groups, and upon becoming TTG certified, we will send you a brand new free laptop to trade with. To become TTG certified, it means you go through all of our courses and you pass the quizzes at the end of them. Okay, becoming TTG certified is a badge of honor for our members. You get a certificate, you can print it out, put it on your desk, hang it on the wall, share it on social media digitally. You get a green check mark next to your username in chat, lets other members know that you are certified. Your opinion now carries more weight in chat. All right, you're almost held to a higher standard as a TTG certified member now. It's a badge of honor. It's a real accomplishment. It lets you know that you've gone through a simplified and expanded upon version of the same education and training that I received when I worked at the fund in New York. The process of becoming TTG certified usually takes about 4 to 6 weeks, but I've seen it done much faster. It's all up to you. It's how much time you put towards it, because the curriculum is available 24/7. It goes at your own pace, your own schedule. So no matter how much time you have or don't have, you want this bad enough, there's no excuse. If there's anyone that's out there that doubts that we actually do send free laptops to people, just watch this again, because I realize when I say stuff, it doesn't mean that much. So let's ask members themselves. Guys, my TTG fam, do we actually send free laptops to people? Yes or no? Type yes or no right now. If you're a member, do we actually send free laptops to people? Guys, just pay attention. See how many people type the word yes right now as it flies through chat as I continue and move forward. All right, so look at all these yeses. Now that that's settled, I want you to think of True Trading Group as the Netflix of trading communities, because you pay that one price, $1,228, and you get access to the core of everything we have, included with your membership at no additional cost whatsoever. Our 17-course curriculum, all of our courses, simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned at the fund. Our trading performance journal. This tracks all of your trades, gives you data, statistics on your trading so we can figure out where you're making mistakes. Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, so you can get news as soon as it crosses the wire without delay. Quote Media's full book level 2, so you can see all the market makers in level 2. TradingView's premium charting software. It's one of the most commonly used charting programs by active traders. Our simulator, which lets you trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data so you guys can practice. Trade Ideas Scanner shows you what stocks make new highs, new lows, and which ones have a surge in volume. Of course, our chat room with all of our trade alerts from a group of traders sporting well over an 80% win rate, and we are fully transparent. We keep a trading journal on our website. It tracks every buy and sell that our moderators make. You can see it all right there on our site for you guys. You get access to all of our live workshops and webinars. We also just added real-time options flow and dark pool data to the platform. You get 2 small private study groups with a professional trader from TTG. And of course, access to the huge giveaways. $30,000 brand new Tesla given away right here, right now, in just about 5 minutes. The next 30 people, guys, that use TTG121 coupon code will get the 44% discount, the 2 small study groups, and the chance to earn that brand new free laptop. And before we get to that Tesla and 30K giveaway, last but not least, everyone that joins True Trading Group will get themselves a complete full money back guarantee. But it's not just any money back guarantee. I stand behind this program. I put my money where my mouth is. I come up here every night and I tell you that results matter and education matters. I tell you that we're a family. We're in this together. So if you're willing to commit to me, I will commit to you. And here's the deal. This is the deal that I make with our TTG members when they join. If you go through all our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend 1 private study group, you get 2. I'm only asking you to attend 1. If you do those 3 things and still do not make your membership fee back at least once during your membership, not only will I give you your entire membership fee back, I'll give you an additional $500 on top. Yes, you heard me correctly. I'm not crazy. This is how much I believe in our ability to help you succeed. You pay $1,228 tonight. If you go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend a study group, and do not make that membership fee back at least once, I'm going to give you back $1,728 for the inconvenience. Oh, by the way, you get to keep the free laptop that we sent you as well. That is how much I believe in our ability to help you succeed. Nobody else offers this because nobody else is as confident in their ability to help you succeed as we are. I told you, I believe in this program. I put my money where my mouth is. And I believe that if you entrust the True Trading Group platform to help educate you to a point of consistent profitability, and we fail you, we are going to lose money. As a company, we will lose money if you fail after putting in that effort. And I think that that is fair. And in a world and industry that is full of complete BS, furus left and right that don't know their ass from their elbow, I have absolutely no problem putting my neck out on the line and saying, if you don't make your money back after doing those 3 things, I'm going to give you all your money back plus $500 on top. Not a single other person would do that. You just have to use coupon code TTG121. Sign up right now. Everything I'm telling you is on the website. You guys know you're getting exactly what I'm saying to you here. It's all right there on the site for you guys to see. Okay, so again, TTG121. 44% discount, 2 small private study groups, free laptop, money back guarantee, plus $500 on top. It's a no-brainer. I'm removing the only people that should worry are people that are lazy. Because if you're lazy, I'm sorry, you're not going to get help from me. I have no sympathy for lazy people. This is a skill that, if learned properly, can literally change your life for the better. It deserves your time, energy, and attention. If you're willing to give it, I'm willing to give that right back to you. But if you're lazy, I'm sorry, True Trading Group's not for you. All right? Fair enough? I think that's fair. Now, if anybody has any issues signing up, if you have questions, if you can't get the coupon code to work, whatever, send a text message now to 201-775-9702. Text this number. Don't call it. Text this number. It's at the bottom of your screen. 201-775-9702. Okay? For anyone that has any questions signing up for a membership. Get it? Got it? Good. Guess what time it is, folks? It's giveaway time. Yes. $30,000 or a brand new Tesla. In order to help me do this giveaway, I'm going to now bring on my business partner, co-founder in True Trading Group, the man behind the amazing crypto coin call at 38 cents from a few weeks ago. Everybody, welcome Adam. We call him Shug in True Trading Group. Adam, what's up, buddy?
Hey, buddy.
Oh man, I'm excited, bro. These giveaways get me amped, man.
I'm excited too. I wish I didn't have a fever and feel like poo.
Oh, Adam feels like poo. Adam's got a fever. His kids are sick. They made him sick. So Adam's got a fever, but I told him. He called me today. He's like, bro, I'm not feeling well. I go, Adam, you gotta suck it up, man. We got $30,000 to give away tonight. And he was like, I know, it's $30K giveaway night. I was like, yeah, man. We're crossing the $1 million threshold. Giving away over $1 million back to our teaching members with these giveaways in the form of cash, electronics. We've been doing this now for over a year, and we are crossing over the $1 million threshold. And I couldn't be any more excited, blessed, to have the opportunity to give this back to our teaching family. As we grow, you grow. That's what family is all about. And I cannot wait. Guys, $30,000 is a lot of money. That's life-changing money for a lot of people. It's life-changing money for a lot of people. I just hope that the person who wins this tonight, I hope it's money that they need. I hope it's money that they can really use. So, Adam, talk to us, man. How does this work for those people that are new and just joining us? Maybe this is their first giveaway. How does it work?
All right. So what we're going to do is every member of True Trading Group, whether they were a lifetime member or a annual member, had to register. We've had the registration open now for several weeks. Despite that fact, I still had many people send me a message during this live stream asking if they could still sign up. It is what it is. So, hang on 1 second. I'm answering people about the membership. All right. Anyways, so what's going to happen is we had 1,887 people register for tonight's giveaway. Okay. I'm going to put that on the screen. We use a website called wheelofnames.com. Obviously, nothing is truly ever random, but this is as random can be. that you're going to get. We're going to spin the wheel for 30 seconds, and then a winner is going to come on the screen. We're then going to go ahead and call. Hang on one second. I'm sorry. We're then going to go ahead and call that person. That person has 5 minutes to answer the phone. If they do not answer the phone, we will re-spin. But in order to claim the giveaway, they have to mention the code word that we are going to give out right now that we will leave on the screen for 30 seconds. Okay?
Here comes the code word.
The code word for tonight is pamplemousse. Just so happens to be a lovely flavor of LaCroix. All right?
There it is, folks. There's the code word. It's right there on the screen. Right there. Okay? Bang. Pamplemousse. Pamplemousse. Okay? You guys better know that code word. If your name is called and Adam calls you and you do not know that code word, we are moving on and we're spinning the wheel again. You must know this code word, so write it down. Do not type it in chat. Do not type it in chat. Okay? Do not type it in chat. Write it down. Memorize it. You better know it if your name is called. If your name is called, Adam's going to call you. You have 5 minutes to answer the phone. If you don't answer the phone, we spin again. If you answer the phone and don't know the code word, we spin again. You guys better know that.
Write it down. It's pamplemousse. It is French for grapefruit.
I had no idea what this word meant when Adam told me that's the code word. Full disclosure.
All right. Yes,
it's
it's too late to register.
Yes, it's too late to register, guys. It's been on the platform for.
How do we get called on a phone? These questions are getting good. All right, pamplemousse, 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 pamplemousse. It's 3 syllables. It is looks like this in a can. Okay, pamplemousse. If you do not tell me that code, I will hang up and respin. Okay? No hard feelings. You can always leave a negative review over at Trustpilot. There you go. All right, you ready?
Dude, I'm ready. I literally have butterflies in my stomach. When we do these giveaways, I just get so excited. I just feel so, so fortunate, so blessed, and just happy to do these giveaways with our TG fam. I'm excited. I'm just excited for whoever wins this thing. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. I can't wait.
I'm super excited.
Let's do it.
All right, here we go. Let me pull up the screen.
Pull up our wheel.
There we go. Right. There it is. All right, I'm taking the code word off the screen. Code word again is pamplemousse. 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 Giveaway time.
Oh my God, let's do it.
It's going to spin for 30 seconds. When the winner shows up on the screen, let's do it. It's going.
How long do we spin? 30 seconds?
30 seconds.
Oh, man. The longest 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. Here we go. Here it is. Who's it going to be?
Peter Touch.
Peter Touch. I know Peter Touch. I had a one-on-one with this guy not too long ago. Peter Touch. My goodness.
All right, hang on. He's a lifetime member, yeah?
Yes, he is a lifetime member.
You wouldn't happen to have his phone number handy, would you? I'm just kidding.
I don't know, but him and I had a one-on-one.
I have it here.
So honestly, it's probably a couple months. It's a couple months ago, actually. At this point, him and I had a one-on-one a couple months ago.
Got it. All right, calling him now. Hang on.
Grandpa moves. Oh man, this is crazy,
That's awesome.
dude. Wow. Oh man, this is crazy. I just cannot believe this. Whoa.
Congrats, Peter.
Man, man, I'm sorry about that. This is awesome. Woo! This is awesome.
Is this not the best scam you've ever signed up for?
Ever. Oh man, Suge Knight. Oh man, this is crazy.
Suge.
Oh my, no, not Suge Knight. I was gonna say Suge and Mike, but somehow it came Suge Knight.
Oh man. So what are we doing? We doing cash or car, man?
Oh, I'm doing cash.
Everyone does cash.
Everybody takes the cash, man. I was so bad I want to give somebody keys, but
I'm shaking right now. I'm not gonna lie to you.
That's awesome, man. So let me ask you a question. How maybe tell everyone just a minute or two, what's your experience been like with your trading group? And
I'm not gonna lie, I've been struggling. Yes, it is. Yeah, make money, lose money. I'm not gonna say this a game, but it is. Yeah, I'm learning, but it's not easy. What people think is just do it overnight. Yeah, you gotta put your time in. You really have to put your time on it. It's not a game. This is not a game. This is serious. But if you take it seriously, you definitely can make money. But I'm still, I'm 50-50 so far. But education, 100%. Yeah, you definitely will learn.
awesome.
Ooh, man, I just can't believe this, man.
Very cool, man. All right. Well, look, here's what we're going to do. Tomorrow, I'm going to reach out to you on this number. I got to send you over some paperwork, and we'll get the money out to you this week.
Wow, man. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, dude.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome.
Whoa, unbelievable. Whoa, thank you so much, man. Thank you.
Awesome. All right, buddy. Have an awesome night.
Hey, thank you.
You too.
Have a good one, guys.
Later.
Take care, Peter.
Awesome.
There it is, man.
Yeah.
We did it.
Mm-hmm.
We did it, bro. Over $1 million.
Yep. I'm gonna start a GoFundMe now for my kids' college.
Nah, I'm just, when you hear the excitement, on people's voices, it's a lot of fun, man.
Somebody says 1 million. How does it feel? Expensive.
It feels amazing. It feels amazing. It really does. It feels amazing.
I'm being funny, but it does. It was really just kind of like I don't say pipe dream, but like a pretty large goal. When you start out.
I mean, we set a pretty high bar for ourselves.
Yeah.
To have.
I mean, honestly, when we first said it a little over a year ago, I was like, "Yeah, we talking shit or what's going on here?"
I know, right? It happened faster than I. It happened
really fast.
It's a lot of money, man. It's a lot of money, and it's just like to be able to give. I look back, like I was actually thinking about this earlier today, like some of the other giveaways that we've done, and some of the people that we've had. Like, I remember there was one guy who won. He had his whole family with him, and we got him on the live stream. His kids were jumping around in the background. You remember that? It was just like so many of these like families that we've been able to impact. And I just think like sometimes people ask too. They're like, "Oh, you're such a good trader. Why do you have the TJ?" Dude, I mean, True Trading Group. Yes, TTG is a business, folks. Don't make any mistake about it. True Trading Group is a business, but I consider myself one of the luckiest people in the world that gets to literally do what I love, or something I'm going to do anyway. and be able to make money from it, but also be able to actually help people reach their goals and help have positive impact on people's lives. And I feel like, especially in the world that we live in today, I just feel that we need more of people who like have goals and seek out ways in which they can positively impact people's lives. And it's like, yeah, these giveaways are fun. These giveaways are cool. They're exciting. They're awesome. And it's something that I really, truly love doing, that I enjoy doing, to know that the positive impact we're having on people's lives. But it stems so much further than the giveaways, because there's been so many thousands of our members that have sent us messages, and the stories that that members have told us, and how we've been able to positively impact their lives, especially in a time like when COVID happened, and helping people just kind of keep food on the table when they lost their jobs. I mean, it's just crazy. It's just like, it really is a humbling experience. And like, I'm just, filled with a complete mixed bag of emotions tonight. As we kind of cross this threshold, you think back, of the giveaways that we've done. And I just start thinking about all the people that have sent us messages, so it's crazy. I just listen to this, I just keep thinking about the stories that members, like the people we've had on live streams, have told us their stories, and, like Smoke the other day. It's crazy. I don't know. I'm feeling joy tonight. I'm feeling joy. Proud. I'm feeling joy. It's awesome.
Very cool.
Yeah. Awesome.
All right. Well, while you're feeling it, let's welcome Vikas, Saman, and Pamela.
Excellent. Vikas, Saman, and Pamela, welcome to the TTG family, folks. Everybody give them a huge, warm TTG welcome to the family. That means there's 27 of those laptops left. I'm still waiting on Ken. Horn. I feel like tonight's the night for Ken.
Ken just signed up for the $3 membership, so he broke your heart.
That's okay. Listen, I got Ken's in chat with us tomorrow. Ken's going to get a feel for what the TC platform is all about. I'm excited for it. Ken's been a longtime viewer here on the live streams, an experienced trader, and is going to come check us out and see what TTG is all about. Guys, you could also join the trial. Like I said, Ken just joined the trial. It's $3. It's for the week. You can go to ttgthree.com. That's a 1-week trial. If you guys want to join us for the trial, you certainly can. Again, that's ttgthree.com. It's only $3. All right. Otherwise, you guys want to use TTG121 coupon code. That'll get you the 44% discount. It'll get the 2 small private study groups. It'll get you the chance to earn the free laptop. It'll also give you the money back guarantee plus the $500 on top. All right.
All right. Take it home.
All right, man. All right, folks. Well, there we go. Another giveaway in the books. I love it. I really, really do. Let's now talk about the markets. Let's talk about how we're making money this week, because I've got my eyes on Europe, man. I feel like, this is a new risk factor in the markets that was not around, even a week ago. I got to be honest when I tell you that I never really thought that I would hear the word lockdown again. I really didn't. I really didn't think I'd hear the word lockdown again, but yet here we are. And you have lockdowns going on in parts of Europe. You have, the Netherlands went into a lockdown. Austria went into a lockdown. And it's starting to scare markets a little bit. It's the reason why we gapped down on Friday. We were gapping up to all-time highs in the futures market. Sing. Everybody welcome Sing. Everybody welcome Sing to the TTG family. There are now only 26 of those laptops left. Guys, think about it. What do you guys have to lose? I mean, I'm giving you guys a full, complete money-back guarantee plus $500 on top if you don't make your membership fee back after going through the courses, passing the quizzes, and attending 1 private study group. All right, so you just have to use TTG121 coupon code, folks. That's it. All right. All right, so I wasn't expecting to get this type of COVID news. I wasn't. And we were gapping up there to all-time highs. Okay. We were gapping up to all-time highs. All right, we were gapping up to all-time highs Friday. Then we had the Austria lockdown news. It came out around like 4 a.m. our time, and right away, markets just dropped off of that news, and then we actually finished the day red. Now you're looking at the futures market. We're up a quarter point. So not too much of a worry and a concern coming into Monday. Everybody welcome NIT. 25 of those laptops left. Everybody welcome NIT. All right, NIT. TTG 121 coupon code, folks. Type it in and click apply code. All right. So this gap up. Now, again, we got to see if this gap up holds. A lot can happen between now and the opening bell. The market opens in 12 hours. A lot can happen in 12 hours. But you have to pay attention to two specific key factors. One, COVID in Europe. Two, Biden's Fed nominee. I got to tell you, I think if Biden does not reappoint Jerome Powell as Fed chair, I don't think the markets will like a change at that position. The markets have celebrated Jerome Powell's actions and decisions and stance on policy up to this point. That's why the markets are at all-time highs. Just the fact that there could be a change, I think the markets will shake it. I don't think the markets will like it. I think it'll be a, sell now, ask questions later type of scenario, where maybe you get like a 1 or 2 day pullback if he does not renominate Jerome Powell. A lot of people are worried because they think that if he goes with Bernard, that she will be too dovish and she will be slower to ease the tapering and be slower to raise rates, which means that they think the Fed will get behind inflation, which becomes a problem. And then she will have to slam on the brakes from a monetary policy standpoint, meaning raise rates sooner to slow down inflation. And the markets don't like that. Everybody welcome Angela. Angela, welcome to the family. There are only 24 laptops left now. TTG 121 coupon code, folks. Everybody welcome Angela. All right. So the market likes Jerome Powell's policy stance. They like the stance of, we're beginning the taper, we're going to raise rates, by end of next year. The markets like the pace that he has put forward. If Biden nominates somebody else and that pace slows, the markets, I think, in a regular scenario would actually celebrate that, but not in this scenario because of inflation. I think the markets are, really feel that if that pace is slower, that we're going to be in a big problem next year because the Fed will be behind inflation and have to raise rates abruptly, and that'll cause markets to pull back. So those are the two headlines that I'm going to be looking for this week that can shake markets up. I think if Jerome Powell gets nominated again, I think the markets celebrate that. I think you get a little bit more of an ease higher as some of the worry of COVID starts to kind of come off a little bit. But pay attention to Europe, pay attention to the COVID headlines, pay mostly attention to Germany is really going to be where you want to focus. Germany and the UK. Those are going to be your two biggest economies over there. If Germany and the UK start to talk about lockdown restrictions, the markets will sell off on that. If it stays isolated to smaller economies like Austria and there's other smaller European countries, the markets might be able to shake that off. I don't think it's a question of if the markets think that the US is going to go back into a lockdown. I don't think the markets think that. But I think that if you have more European countries go into lockdown or implement some type of restrictions, that will slow down the economic growth going into 2022. And you are going to need strong economic growth going into next year, especially with inflation being what it is. If growth slows and inflation continues to run hot, you run the risk of stagflation. The market's not going to like that if you run the risk of stagflation. So you got to pay attention to that. And then, like I said, the Fed nominee. Those are two headlines that I think are moving markets this week coming up. There is no set time for that Fed nominee. It's just going to come out whenever Biden wants to announce it. He was actually supposed to announce it by Friday of last week. He did not. He also had a colonoscopy, so maybe that, delayed things a little bit. I'm not sure. But this week coming up, we should get some news on where he stands on if Jerome Powell is going to stay or if the changing of the guard is going to take place, and that can move markets as well. Okay, so those are going to be two headlines I'm paying attention to. All right. If there is no more COVID headlines, I think the markets are free to move higher. If Jerome Powell stays in his position, I think the markets are free to move higher, and I think the Santa Claus rally can continue. But if you get more COVID headlines and if Jerome Powell does not get nominated, I think a pullback down into the low 460s on the SPY. I think a pullback down into this region. Very, 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 very possible. And then I would look for a bounce once you get down to 460 or so, 459. I would expect a bounce off that level. And then the Santa Claus rally, I still believe, is able to be in full effect. Regardless of what happens over the next 1 to 2 weeks, I think in December, the markets push higher. Again, unless there's a major change at the Fed and if there's a major resurgence of COVID with more lockdowns. Abdullah. Everybody welcome Abdullah. 23 laptops left, folks. TTG121 coupon code. Use them now. 44% discount, 2 small private study groups, a chance to earn a free laptop, and the money back guarantee plus $500 on top. All right, everybody welcome Abdullah. Okay. So I got myself into some IWM call options last week. This is the Russell 2000. I got myself into these call options last week as we pulled back in to retest this previous resistance level. Right? As we pulled in to test that previous resistance level on this day, I bought call options. And the very next day is when Austria announced the lockdown. When I heard that lockdown, that's when I decided to myself on Friday, I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to hold this position over the weekend because God forbid if something happens over the weekend with COVID and another European country announces a lockdown, I thought that you run the risk of a gap down. I didn't want to be in call options running that risk. Because the weekend, you guys remember when COVID headlines were moving markets, holding over the weekend was very dangerous because over the weekend, you got number, case, death, spikes, increases, and the markets would gap down on the back of that news. So I didn't want to get myself stuck in a situation where another country went into lockdown and we got a gap down. That has not happened here over the weekend. The markets are actually are trending higher slightly. We're up a quarter point on the S&P futures. Okay. We're up a quarter point on S&P futures. We're up slightly on the NASDAQ, on the Russell. We're up slightly. So if this holds, I think the markets are free to bounce back tomorrow. And then maybe we get some news about Jerome Powell and the markets can really start to extend. Okay, so I might be getting myself back into some call options here on IWM, maybe some call options on the SPY. It depends on what happens with the Fed nominee. Everybody welcome David. 22 of those laptops left now. Everybody welcome David. All right, you guys can use TTG121 coupon code, folks. All right, everybody welcome David. All right, so that's what I'm looking for this week, guys. That's where I'm going to be. And then I'm, of course, going to be looking at the EV sector. Okay, the EV sector has been red hot. A massive, massive, massive recovery day on Friday from Lucid after a big pullback, a huge snapback. This thing still has juice. The entire EV market still has juice. You know, Rivian with a deep pullback. Does Rivian get maybe a dead cat bounce off of that 120? But I'm focused on Lucid. You know, Tesla, looks like Tesla wants to get back to 1,200. You know, there's a lot going on here in the EV space. Specifically, Lucid is going to be top of my list going into tomorrow. This stock providing you with tremendous range, a $7 range, $8. And I mean, just this huge, huge move that you're getting on a lot of these stocks. So I'm going to be looking at Lucid. Okay, I'm going to be looking at Lucid there tomorrow as well to see if Lucid can get up there and break through 58. If Lucid breaks through 58, okay, your next resistance level is all-time highs. And I do believe that it is possible that Lucid could see a bit of a short squeeze up into the low 60s. If Lucid gets over 58, you've got to watch it for a move up to 63, 64. Okay, you've got to watch it. So I will be focused very heavily on Lucid. That's one of the main stocks that's going to be on my watch list. Also, LGVN. Okay, LGVN, I want to bring this to everyone's attention because we had a a huge gap up on Friday that pulled back, and it was a very slow little consolidation day for LGBN. But what happened? We actually held above Thursday's highs. You'll notice here, Thursday's highs, previous resistance. We had then a big gap up. We pulled all the way back, and look what happened. We held Thursday's highs perfectly. Okay? We held Thursday's highs perfectly. All right? So if you come into the day tomorrow and LGBN is at $11, $11.50, you got to watch it for another move higher. Okay? If LGBN is at $11.50, I'm looking to be a buyer. If LGBN is down around $10, $9, $8, I'm not going to be as interested in it. But as long as this stock is above $9, as long as it's above $9, it is on my watch list. And if we gap up to like $11.50 tomorrow, it's going to be at the top of my watch list. Okay, so I'll say that again. LGBN, as long as it's above 9 on my watch list, if it gets up to like $11.50, it's at the top of my watch list. All right, everybody welcome Griffin. That means there's only 21 of those laptops left now, guys. So you got to use TTG121 coupon code right here, right now. All right. So there you have it, folks. Those are what is on the top of my list. Okay, that is what is on the top of my list. All right. So what I would like to do here now is I'd like to see who's still here with us tonight on the live stream that's not a TTG member. So do me a favor, guys. Type TTG in chat right now if you're not a member. If you're not a member, type TTG. We still have about 1,600 people that are live with us. YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. I'd like to see who's not a member. Rhonda Atta, Brett Piloff, James Mag, EDM, Gil, Hitman Today, Andre, Neil Go, Sunita, Ethan Allgreen, Professor, Amin, Bill Miller, Brighton, Brett McDaniel, GM, James, Rodney Covington, Space Force Sergeant, Mohammed Riaz, Eric Beck, Peter with a D, Patrine Barnes, Tim, Randy Amati, Kathleen, Bejoy, Marsha, Xavier Lofton, beautiful guys, Michael Case, Jalsa Party, Mary Warboys, Robert, I love it. Yo, Dave Norby, what's up? Dave Norby's back. What's up, Dave? All right, guys, listen, for everyone that just typed TTG in chat, it's time to get educated. All right, your time to get educated is right now. The time to start learning and making money on your own is right now. Waiting for New Year's or after the holidays is an excuse, okay? No different than those people that flood the gym on January 1st every single year and then are nowhere to be seen shortly after that. None of this new year, new me crap. If you guys want to learn how to achieve financial freedom and peace of mind from trading stocks, the TTG membership is the very best gift you can give yourself and your family for the holidays. Everybody welcome Madhu. Madhu investing in himself. Madhu, welcome. TTG121 coupon code, folks, only 20 laptops left. The 1-year membership to True Trading Group, it normally costs $2,212, but from now until midnight, you can save 44%. When you type in the coupon code TTG121, brings the price down to $12.28. You have the opportunity to earn a brand new free laptop, and you're going to get 2 small private mentor study groups when you guys join. Remember, TTG is a platform. You're getting access to the top trading tools and resources when you join. That includes our brand new trading performance journal. This tracks your stock, option, crypto, and futures trades, gives you hard data, real statistics on your trading, so we can figure out where you're making mistakes, so we know where to make adjustments so we can improve on that P&L. You're also going to be getting access to Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. This gives you live, breaking up to the seconds news alert services.
Mike, give me a second to pull it up on the screen, would you? Thanks.
That news service is real-time, guys. No delay whatsoever. You also get a Squawk box feature. Okay, the Squawk box feature actually lets you guys listen to the news. So let's say you're busy, you're in a trade, you're distracted, you're not able to read news headlines as they come across the screen. You guys can actually turn on our Squawk box feature. Okay, you can turn on our Squawk box feature. All right, and you can actually listen to the news as it comes over the wire. All right, I'll give a minute here to wait till Adam to get this stuff up on the screen. because I want to show you guys what the platform actually looks like. So guys, all these tools and resources that we're about to show you as soon as Adam gets it up on the screen are free with your membership. You don't pay extra for any of these tools and resources. All right, folks. So here you guys have on the screen, this is our trading performance journal. Okay, this will actually track your trading, give you hard data and statistics to help you guys figure out where you're making mistakes and what you're doing wrong. All right, then we've got that Benzinga news feed that I just told you guys about that gives you real-time news alerts directly inside of chat. No more relying on delayed news feeds. Now, you can't rely on Yahoo Finance. It's like 15 minutes delayed. You guys got to get news as soon as it crosses the wire, just like the pros do, so you guys can react. Then you guys are going to get access to Quote Stream's full book level 2. Okay, Quote Stream's full book level 2. This is going to give you guys all of the market makers inside of level 2, not just the ones your broker shows you. And that's also part of our simulator. ETNA's simulator is what we use. It lets you trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data while we practice implementing what we learned in the courses. It's the same simulator that's used at Cal State University, Fullerton, University of Wisconsin, Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, and Illinois Tech. You get access to this and everything in here at no additional cost for the entire length of your membership. You also get the Trade Ideas Scanner, which shows you what stocks make new highs, new lows, and have a surge in volume. We also just added the real-time options flow and dark pool data, something used to be only available to professional traders, now at the fingertips of my TTG family to help level that playing field. You also get our own proprietary scanner, which has the same functionality as FinViz Elite, but you guys can also click on any one of these stocks and get unlimited downloadable PDF reports that tell you what analysts are saying about the stock. So wouldn't it be nice before you actually buy a stock to check how many analysts agree with you and how many analysts have a buy rating on the stock versus how many have a sell? This tool will allow you to do just that. You'll also be able to see with our platform insider sells and insider buys whenever upper management buys or sells stock. Then you get our social sentiment scanner, which tracks and scours Reddit, StockTwits, and Twitter to tell you what stocks are being mentioned and talked about the most on those platforms. Again, something that used to be available only to hedge funds with complex algorithms. Now it is at the fingertips of our TTG family. You also get our TradingView Pro Plus charting software. This is one of the most commonly used charting softwares used by active traders. All of it free with your membership. All right, you're going to get at least 10 easy to follow, actionable real-time trade alerts per week from a community of pro traders sporting well over an 80% win rate. We are fully transparent. We keep a trading journal where we upload our trading activity each and every day that tracks every buy and sell that all of our moderators make, so you can see for yourself how you would be performing if you followed along with our trade alerts. Then then you also have the 2 small private study groups, which I told you about before, your chance to get individualized attention from a TTG trader. Then you're going to get access to the courses, our entire curriculum when you join. This is the beginner courses, the foundation courses, advanced, options, trader psychology, crypto, swing trading, you name it, we've got it, text and video format. This is a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned when I worked at the fund. There are no VIP or pro level courses that cost more money once you join. You get access to every course as a member when you pay $12.28 with coupon code TTG121. Then in addition to the courses, we have a video library that has well over 100 hours of additional educational video content, like how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO, how to grow a small account, intro to options, and so much more. And then, of course, the chat room where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the microphone, calling out trades in real time, answering DMs. We're there with you from pre-market till after hours every single day. Guys, take advantage of this discount. The value of your membership at $12.28 for this platform is insane. To put that into perspective for you, let's say you don't join True Trading Group, but you want Benzinga's newsfeed. Benzinga will charge you $1,404 a year for that newsfeed. You can get the exact same thing on our platform, included with your membership for $12.28, as well as get everything else that I just showed you. That is what I mean by TTG is a platform. It's our goal to disrupt this industry. To do that, we have to provide insane value and results at a price substantially less than any of our so-called competitors. I told you results matter. That is why we have that newsfeed. I mean, that is why, I'm sorry. That is why we have that money back guarantee. All right. That's why we have the money back guarantee. Okay. I believe in this platform. I put my money where my mouth is. I stand behind what I say. If you go through the courses, pass the quizzes, and attend one private study group, and still do not make your membership fee back at least once during your membership, I'm going to give you not only all of your money back, $1,228, but I'm going to give you an additional $500 on top. That's how it should be. We're in this together. You entrust to Trading Group to provide you with the education, the tools to help you become successful. If you put in an effort and still fail, then we are going to lose money. That is all the incentive that we need to make sure you have access to the tools, the resource, the education, the guidance that you need to give the best chance to succeed. You just have to use TTG 121 coupon code, folks. We're also 5-star rated on Trustpilot. Go read some of those reviews. 1,400 people have taken the time out of their day to leave us a review on Trustpilot. Go read them. Everybody welcome Michael. Michael's the newest member of the TTG fam. What's up, Michael? 19 laptops left now, guys. 19 of them left. TTG 121 coupon code. Everything I'm saying to you right now is on our website regarding that money back guarantee, regarding that laptop. It is all right there for you to see. If you're still not ready to join, like I said, we do have that 1-week trial. It's only $3. There's no reoccurring payment. There's no auto renew. It's a one-time payment of $3. Everyone's got $3. It's just to make sure you're a real person. You can see what it's like to be part of the fam. Okay, you can trade with us right now. But tomorrow night, okay, or excuse me, after midnight tonight, going to tomorrow, the price of our membership is going to jump. I told you a couple weeks ago you could have joined for $11.06. It's $12.28 tonight. It's going to jump again tomorrow. And then eventually we're going to move up to $2,500 on February 1st. So if you want to go through the trial, you can. TTGTHREE.com. But you're not going to get this 44% discount. Okay. So if you guys want that discount, use TTG 121 coupon code right now. You'll get the brand new laptop, the 2 small private study groups, okay, and the money back guarantee. And the chance to earn that free laptop. All right. That's it, folks. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Peter Touch, congratulations on winning that $30,000 giveaway. We have now officially given away over $1 million in cash and electronics to our TTG family. It is truly a blessing and an honor, something we're happy to do and very blessed to do. My TTG fam, I love you all. For all of you that are just joining us here tonight, you are now part of that family and of that community. So I love you guys too. All right. Thanks for joining us tonight, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Don't ever miss these lives. We do these 6 nights a week. We give away free lessons and education that are going to help you guys become better traders. If you haven't done so already, smash that like button and get your butts in chat with me to kick off the week. It's a short week. We've got a holiday. Thursday, it is Thanksgiving. Then you've got Friday, Black Friday. We got retail sales that we're going to be talking about. Black Friday sales. We got to watch Amazon. We got to watch Macy's. We got so much going on. We got to watch Walmart, Target. So much going on. We got COVID in Europe. We've got Jerome Powell possibly being reappointed or maybe a changing of the guard at the Fed. There's a lot of things going on this week. Make sure you guys get your butts in chat. Don't try to navigate this environment on your own. Get in chat. Be part of the TTG family. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Later, guys.